Hi friends, this video is going to be your strongest comeback video for UPSC Prelims 2026. If you really care about Prelims Examination 2026, watch this video till the end. I'm going to give you a step-by-step plan to crack the Prelims Examination easily. Guys, I have cracked the Prelims Examination all 6 times and I'm very confident whoever follows this strategy will definitely have a very high chance of cracking the Prelims Examination. Guys, in couple of hours we are going to enter a new year. But the $1 million question is that will this new year guarantee a success for you? Will this new attempt guarantee a success in the prelims examination? Automatically, the answer is big no. Guys, just because this is a new attempt, just because this is a new year, it does not guarantee that you are going to qualify this year. Why? The question is, most of you are not willing to change. Guys, remember this, the result will not change till you change. The result is not going to change till you change your strategy. The result is not going to change till you stop repeating to make the same old mistakes. Guys, most of the aspirants I come across who are failing in the prelims examination in the multiple attempts, they make the same mistakes every year. Let me repeat some of the mistakes. Most of the aspirants, they wait till the month of January, February. Some people, they wait till March to start a sincere preparation for the prelims examination. Every year they do the same mistake. They start late. Every year they do not solve any mock practice till the end, and they start solving mock practice only in the month of March, April and May. Guys, most of them, they are not reading newspapers throughout the year. They are not very consistent with their preparation throughout the year. They only start their preparation at the end of the year. Guys, this is the mistakes. If you keep meeting your old mistakes, you will never crack the prelims examination. So first thing what you need to do is that you have to understand that just because we are entering a new year, that doesn't guarantee a new result for you. You have to respect the prelims examination. You have to change yourself. You have to change the manner in which you are studying. You have to change the manner in which you are revising. You have to change the manner in which you are practicing questions. Guys, if you remain the same, nothing is going to change for you. Let me tell you very frankly, most of you, okay, they are preparing for 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, and the years are passing like anything, and every year you give an excuse that this year UPSC gave an unexpected pattern. This year the UPSC question was very current oriented. This year the question was unpredictable. Guys, this is not the truth. The truth is you are not changing. The truth is you are not adapting to the changing circumstances. Guys, UPSC examination is a very dynamic examination. Particularly the prelims examination is very dynamic examination. You can only crack this examination if you are efficiently changing yourself. Guys, in this video I'm going to give you my plan, my strategy, which can help you crack the prelims examination. Guys, my name is Santosh Pandey. I have cracked the prelims examination all 6 times. You can see I have scored very high marks in the prelims examination. I was able to do this because I understood the examination, and in the last couple of years I'm guiding so many students to crack the prelims examination. In this video I'll give you what is the right mindset to crack the prelims examination. I'm going to give you what is the right strategy which can help you optimize your effort in the next 4 to 5 months. I'm going to give you a daily plan. I'm going to give you all the tools which are necessary to crack the prelims examination. Guys, if you have all these 4 things, no force on earth can stop you from qualifying the prelims examination 2026. Guys, first thing, let me be brutally honest to you that UPSC prelims is not about reading more books. Guys, most of the aspirant, when they talk to me, when I ask what are you doing, sir, I'm preparing for UPSC, okay, prelims. Then I say, what are you exactly preparing? Sir, I am reading books. Sir, I am reading Coaching Institute compilation. Sir, I am reading this. I am reading that. Guys, if just reading would have ensured success, then all the sixth attempt, seventh attempt, eighth attempt people would have cracked the prelims examination. No first attempt would have cracked the prelims examination, because obviously a person who is writing in the sixth attempt or who is writing in the seventh attempt, eighth attempt, you have not read that much, okay, because these people have read so much, but they are also struggling to crack the prelims examination, because prelims is all about solving questions. Prelims is all about converting your knowledge into marks. Guys, most of the aspirants, they have knowledge, but they do not have the skill to convert this knowledge into marks. Guys, this requires practice. This requires a skill development. If you do not develop those skills which really convert your knowledge into marks, you will be always running after more and more information, more and more knowledge, more and more books. Guys, remember this, that in today's world, when there is so much internet, there is chat gpt, there is Gemini, there is artificial intelligence. Guys, information is not your strength. Everyone has the information, everyone has the similar information. So what differentiates you? Guys, the only thing which differentiates you is your ability to convert the knowledge into marks. Guys, many aspirants, they do not work on this, and that is why they work very hard. You know, many aspirants, they say, sir, I work very hard, sir, I'm really very honest with my attempt, but still I fail to crack prelims examination. The reason is they do not have the skill, they have not worked on the skill to convert the knowledge into marks. Guys, knowledge having is one thing and scoring is another thing. Guys, let me tell you, I was not the most knowledgeable person when I was preparing for the prelims examination, but I was the smartest enough. I knew exactly how to convert my limited knowledge into marks, and that is why, guys, I have scored one of the highest marks in the prelims examination. And I can help you develop those skills which can help your limited knowledge and convert into very high scores. Particularly if you are preparing for the forest services, you need to score very high marks in the prelims examination. I can help you really to crack the forest cutoff also. Guys, without this skill, your all knowledge will get wasted. Guys, do not waste your attempts, because each and every attempt is very precious. Guys, so why do most aspirants fail in the prelims examination? The most aspirants fail in the prelims examination because they do not have any daily targets for the next 4 to 5 months. For the next 4 to 5 months, you should have daily targets for each and every day. Guys, most of you do not have proper revision plan. Most of the aspirants, they fail to link the PYQs with whatever they are studying. And last but not the least, most of you do not practice mock test regularly. Most of you, what you do, just before the exam, you start analyzing the PYQ, analyzing the mock test. Okay, you do not solve mock test throughout your entire preparation, which is the next 5 months. Okay, you should space your mocks throughout the 5 months. Okay, this is the main reason why aspirants fail. If you do not make these mistakes, you will definitely crack the prelims examination. I'm going to give you a plan where I'm going to integrate static, I'm going to integrate current affairs, I'm going to integrate PYQs, I'm going to also help you understand the recent trend of the prelims examination. Guys, recently UPSC prelims examination has transformed itself. Lot of new pattern questions have been introduced. You need to understand the new dimension questions and from where UPSC is picking those topics, and I'm going to give you all that secret sources. Guys, one more thing I would like to tell you is that most of the aspirants, what mistake they do is that they keep, okay, looking after motivation, they keep looking after new strategy videos. Okay, most of you, okay, I see whenever there are entire internet, okay, any new strategy video will come, lakhs and lakhs aspirants will keep watching those strategy videos. Guys, let me tell you, no strategy is going to help you till you implement the strategy. Guys, toppers, they do not have like a different strategy. What toppers have, they have systems to implement that strategy. In this video, I'm going to give you the system where you will implement these strategies. Guys, again, I warn you, stop just watching strategies without implementation. Any strategy may be the best strategy, but if it is not implemented, it is of no use to you. Guys, most of you are just, okay, they are pumped up with motivation, but after, when you come to execution, you lack the execution skills because you do not have a proper system. In this video, I'm going to give you a proper system. So what I'm going to give you, guys, I have made a 120 days optima plan to optimize your effort. Guys, in the next 120 days, each and every day I have planned, you have to just follow this plan entire day. I have made an hourly plan. I'm going to discuss the entire plan with you now. Guys, this is plan is a result oriented plan and where I have integrated current affairs, where I have integrated static, where I have integrated PYQs, where I have integrated everything what is required to crack the prelims examination. So you can see that I have made a proper plan for the entire day. This plan is for a full-time aspirant. If you want a plan to be made for a working aspirant, you can reach out to me. I will make a special plan for working aspirant also, but this plan is for full-time aspirant. You can see the plan starts from 5 a.m. in the morning, goes till the 9 p.m. in the night. If you follow this plan for the next 120 days, guys, no force on earth, no person on earth can stop you from qualifying the prelims examination, because I have used my own strategy which has helped me crack prelims 6 out of 6 times. Guys, you can see we are starting with polity. Every day I'll give you targets from the polity, the Lakshmikant book, and guys, I'm also going to give you exact exact topic list. I'm going to give you which are the topics which are important for 2026 prelims examination. Guys, I'm going to analyze the 25 years PYQs. I'm going to analyze the last 2 years current affairs, and after analysis of these two things daily, I'm going to give you important topics. For example, historical backing, making of constitution, salient features, preamble. So what I will do is that I'll analyze the PYQs, I analyze the current affairs, and from these chapters, whatever topic is important for this year, I'm going to give you those topics. For example, guys, citizenship is very important. It is going on. Okay, so I will talk about that. Then census. Okay, then DPSP is very important this year. Okay, so I'll be emphasizing on, and I'll be telling you why DPSP is important. For example, Manrega, right to work. Okay, so like this, every day I'll be giving you important topics, and you can see I have made a plan. And in this plan, you can see, guys, every afternoon I have given you time for current affairs revision of last 1 year. You can see here April 2025 PPP, prelims power play. Guys, you know, for current affairs, I frame 10 questions daily from the Hindu newspaper. Guys, these 10 questions are the best current affairs questions you can get. Guys, I'm asking questions in the latest UPSC manner, and I'm going to link the PYQs and current affairs, and I'm framing very high quality questions. You can see, you can solve the last 1 year current affairs questions. You can see through this you can basically revise the current affairs, and you can see here I'll be providing you current affairs compilation subject wise. You can see here prelims optima notes. So every evening you will read the prelims optima notes. You can see here morning you will do the static, and evening you will do the current aspect of the static. So for example, in the morning you have read the preamble, you have read the salient features, you have read the making of constitution, and then the evening you will read what are the current aspects of these chapters which are there in news. So this is a very scientific way of preparation. Every day you are preparing the static aspect of the topic, and then you are preparing the current aspect of the topic. Guys, like this we will cover one subject. Guys, you see in the between what I have, revision test of NCRT. So static test, I have incorporated all the static tests. I have very high quality questions for static test. I have covered the entire NCRTs and standard books. You can see I have in between I have put those static tests also. And then after completing of the entire polity, okay, from the optima notes and from the static books, we have the polity optima test. Let me explain you what is polity optima test. Polity optima test is 100 most important questions, 100 most predicted questions from polity. Guys, last year I was able to predict many polity questions. Guys, like this, okay, I'm going to analyze the current affairs and PYQs, and I'm going to make predictions for UPSC prelims 2026, guys, and these questions will be there in the polity optima test. Okay, but you should also revise the NCRT test and advanced test, because this will give you a base so that you can optimize your effort also. Okay, guys, so like this, okay, first we will cover polity in 15 days, then history in 15 days. Like this we'll be covering all the subjects. Guys, here I would like to tell you that I have prepared, in history I have prepared all types of map related questions from the new NCRTs which can be asked in the prelims examination. So if you solve my history questions, NCRT and Optima test, you will be able to solve all kind of questions coming from the map based questions. Because guys, you know, history, ancient, medieval, art and culture, this is one portion which can give you edge over other aspirants, and I can really help you in this, guys. Coming on, guys, you can see then we have geography. In geography also, guys, my focus is on statement 1, statement 2, and statement 3 questions. All possible questions, I am framing those questions, and I'm also giving you maps related to geography. Okay, next you can see environment. Okay, so for every subject we have the static, and then we have the current, static and current, and I'll be giving you daily, I'll be giving you important topics. For example, in environment, I'll be giving you COP30. What are the important developments in the COP30? Every topics I'll be giving you. Just prepare my important topics. I can tell you, you can really optimize your effort. Guys, in the last 5 months, you can't do everything. If you try to do everything, you will end up doing nothing. So if you focus on this, then you can easily cover the entire syllabus, static also and current also. Like this, guys, you see, I have science and tech, then I have the economy, then you can see here budget, then you can see here schemes, then you can see here IR, international relations, and you can see here last 15 days. You can see last 15 days, starting from not 15, last 20 days. You can see here. Okay, we are revising with Optima cards. I'll show you what are Optima cards. Last year, many questions came from Optima cards. So last 20 days, I'll be giving you Optima cards, which are the most important predicted questions for UPSC prelims examination 2026. So you can see last 20 days, our revision will be Optima cards and full length test. Okay, so you can see here 7 full length tests we have in the last 20 days. So this will give you complete feel of the UPSC examination, like UPSC paper. I'll frame, okay, the latest pattern. I'll frame questions in this, and these will be all expected important questions. Now I'll show you how many questions have directly came, how I have able to predict many questions in last year. That also I'm going to show you, and Optima cards also I'm going to show you. You can also, if you are not able to join the entire 120 days plan, if you just want this predicted test, then you can join our Optima batch, which is going to start from 25th of January, from where this timetable is going to start. But if you are really sincere, if you really want everything which is required to crack prelims examination, the PYQs, the current affairs, okay, the static test and the Optima test, better go for Lakshya, which is the entire 120 days plan. Guys, one more thing, in Optima you will not be getting my current affairs questions. You can see these current affairs questions, PPP, you will not be getting. So my suggestion to every one of you is to please go for Lakshya. Okay, only when you cannot go for Lakshya at any cost, then only you should go for Optima. The plan is going to start from 25th of January. This is daily. Again, I repeat, daily I'll be giving you predicted topics. Daily, just you do the predicted topics and you can crack the prelims examination. Now I'll show you last year how many questions came from Optima cards and the this Optima test. Now I'll show you how many questions directly came from Optima cards and my test series last year in the prelims examination. You can see, guys, this question, artificial rain question, was directly from our Optima cards. You can see here I have also given question on artificial rain. Exactly this question, you can see science Optima test, exactly this question came. You can see here silver iodide, potassium iodide. Okay, next you can see Agarghatta, it was given. Guys, I generally give you this terms PDF, history terms PDF. It was directly taken from here. Next, guys, you can see here this history questions. Then again, you can see self-respect movement. I had given this Optima card, and I had also predicted in my history Optima test. You see, Optima test, I told you, na, I give predicted questions in Optima test. Optima test, lot of questions directly have come. You can see this question. I had made a YouTube video also on this self-respect movement. I was very confident this is going to come. You can see from PPP also there was a question on this self-respect movement. You can see exactly the question framing is also same, guys. Just okay, I'll erase this. You can see exactly the question framing is also same. What else do you want, guys? You can see who among the following was the founder of self-respect movement. Who among the following was the founder of self-respect movement? You can see exactly word to word is the same question. Options are also same. Okay, you can see many of the options are also same. Okay, so guys, you can see like this dancing girl. Okay, then you can see AIF. Okay, alternate investment funds. You can see alternate investment funds, alternate investment funds. Then turmeric Optima card, turmeric Optima questions also, exact wording also is same. Okay, next, guys, you can see here also, next, international north south corridor. You can see Optima card on that. So this question was also there, guys, from PPP. Okay, so guys, you can just see lot of questions. You can go through this PDF. This PDF is available in your website, Optimize IAS website. I'll just show you the website also where this PDF is available. Okay, you can see this is at the PDF is available, Optimize IAS website. You can see how I predicted prelims 2026. Go through this. Okay. Now, the most important question, who should join this 120 days plan and who should not join this 120 days plan? Guys, only those aspirants who are really sincere about prelims 2026, who are really serious about cracking 2026 prelims examination, then only you join this plan, because in this plan we have a very strict schedule. We have a very strict plan. Guys, you need to be very disciplined to follow this plan. You don't have to give excuses. If you are a person who gives a lot of excuses, sir, my health is not good, sir, my family, this problem is there, that problem is there, better don't join the plan. Only join this plan if you really want to crack the prelims examination. Guys, I'm going to help you master the PYQs. I'm going to help you master the elimination techniques. Guys, let me promise you, if you solve all my lecture questions, I can tell you, you will be able to solve 20 questions in the prelims 2026 only by elimination techniques, because I am framing questions using elimination techniques. Guys, let me tell you, these 20 questions, which is 40 marks, is completely gift. Okay, if you miss this 20 marks, you will struggle to crack the prelims examination. Guys, if you are willing to practice questions daily, if you are willing to practice questions regularly, if you are willing to practice current affairs questions, if you are willing to practice option elimination, then only join this program. If you are looking only for motivational videos, if you are looking to avoid mocks, if you are looking to basically not ready for being uncomfortable, not ready to work hard, do not join this plan. Guys, there will be a lot of free YouTube videos for motivation. Get motivation and okay, be satisfied with the motivation. But let me tell you, no motivation is going to help you if you do not have a system to implement that motivation into outcome. And this 2026 plan, the 120 days plan, is an outcome orientation plan. Guys, let me tell you, before 12 o'clock tonight, you have to make a promise to yourself that this year you are not going to leave your prelims examination to luck. Join the 120 days plan 2026 and convert your entire hard work, convert your knowledge into a selection oriented preparation. Guys, 31st December is not a time to celebrate for sincere aspirants, for serious aspirants. This is a time to make decision that 2026 prelims examination is not going to be another year of regret and excuses. 2026 is going to be your greatest year and you are going to crack the prelims examination 2026. Guys, new year does not change your destiny, decisions do. And your decision to join the 120 days plan is going to change your destiny for UPSC prelims 2026. See you inside the plan.